Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all fine. Let us move to our class. Today we are going to see a new topic, nouns, gender. Masculine, feminine, common and neuter are the four types of gender nouns in English. A male member of a species is a masculine gender noun. For example, uncle, king, hero, bull, etc. A female member of a species is a feminine gender noun. For example, ant, queen, heroine, cow, etc. A common gender noun is used for either or both males and females. For example, leader, student, pilot, etc. A neuter gender noun refers to a member of a species which is neither a male nor a female. Inanimate things are neither male nor female, so they are neuter. For example, tree, car, computer, eye, body, sky, etc. Let us see in our textbook. PEP activity, common and neuter gender. Recall that nouns are names of people, places, animals and things in nature. Nouns can be masculine or feminine. For example, bull is a masculine noun and cow is the corresponding feminine noun. Fill in two fruits on the tree in figure 2 with masculine nouns and 2 with feminine. Next, categorize given the nouns as masculine or feminine. Color the masculine nouns in pink and feminine nouns yellow. So, here you have to do your activity. You have to color the masculine nouns in pink color and feminine nouns in yellow color. Pick out the feminine noun in the poem, The Strength of a Tree, write it here. So, what feminine noun do you find in poem? You should write it here. Next activity, look around. List as many non-living things as you can see around you. You have 1 minute. So, here you want to fill the dashes with names of non-living things within 1 minute. Are the objects you listed masculine or feminine? Discuss. Next, non-living things such as nouns you listed are denoted by the neuter gender, pronounced neuter, neuter. For example, objects such as pencil, table, fan, and bench fall under this. A noun that denotes a lifeless thing is denoted by the neuter gender. Neuter means neither masculine nor feminine. In figure 3, examples of neuter gender nouns. Write 2 neuter gender nouns on your own. Pen, cup, book, box. Next, car, bottle, telephone. Here you have to write your own example of neuter gender. Chair, spoon, house. Here also you should write your own example of neuter gender. Next, tip. Read the following sentences. The banyan tree is big. It is also green. Second one, the dog is barking. It is hungry. We use the pronoun it to replace nouns in the neuter gender. So we are using the pronoun it to replace nouns in the neuter gender. Are the nouns tree and dog without life? Why do we use it to refer to them? Discuss. Next, are the following words masculine, feminine, or neuter gender nouns? Discuss with your partner. Classmate, professor, teacher, student, and doctor. Next, nouns that are commonly used to both feminine and masculine genders are known as common gender nouns. For example, the word student may be used to refer to a person who is male or female, hence it is a common gender noun. A common gender noun is only used to refer only to living beings. In figure 4, examples of common gender nouns. Give 2 examples of your own. Teacher. Here may be a male or female. So we are using common gender teacher here. Friend. Here may be male or female. So we are using common gender noun friend. Doctor. Likewise, worker, child, parent, student, painter, lawyer, singer. In these 2 dashes, you have to write the examples of common gender nouns. Tip. We may use he or she to refer to a common gender noun. For example, the candidate is late. He or she should be here soon. So the candidate may be a male or female. So according to that, we are using he or she. Next, second one, the troupe needs a new dancer. He or she can apply within 2 days. So here dancer may be a male or female. So we are using he or she according to that. I hope you understood this topic. If you have any doubt, you can make a call and clarify your doubts, children. Thank you.